Let's see how many miles I got. Man, I did 20. I got 3 bars. I'll get back home, I'll recharge it. 6 miles per hour and the wind is kicking. Hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Yeah, what's that song? Major Tom. Oh yeah. Ground control to Major Tom. I'm doing 2 miles per hour. And man, let me tell you, I don't think I could do 1. 1 is slow. There's no challenge at all. Can't go 1. 1 is not even a speed on a scooter. But can you go 2, my gig user, on your 1 wheel? I wonder how slow you can go before you lose the balance. It's like the faster you go, the more control you have, but the slower you go, the harder it is, right? We're going to try to do the full speed of the block. We're going to go the 9 miles per hour. You can see how fast 9 miles per hour is. Totally different from the 15. Do it again. As it kicks in full speed. Now we're going to coast.